Hello motorcycle lovers, welcome back to the ASSD vehicle channel. This time we will discuss the Triumph Trident 6602025 motorcycle. Go straight to the video. The 2025 Triumph Trident 660 is a refreshed version of Triumph's popular middleweight Roadster, blending modern technology with retro-inspired styling. It retains its approachable character while introducing several performance and tech upgrades. Engine and performance. Engine, 660 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline triple. Power, 80 horsepower at 10,250 RPM. Torque, 47 lb-ft at 6,250 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed with Triumph Shift Assist, bidirectional Quickshifter. Ride modes, rain, road, and new sport mode for sharper throttle response. The engine offers a broad torque curve, delivering 90% of its peak torque from 3,600 RPM to 9,750 RPM, making it flexible and accessible for various riding conditions. Electronics and rider aids. 6-axis IMU. Enables cornering ABS and traction control. Cruise control, now standard. TFT display, full-color screen with Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, calls, and music. These enhancements elevate the Trident's safety and convenience features, bringing it in line with higher-end models. Suspension and brakes. Front suspension, 41mm Showa SFF-BP, separate function fork, big piston, for improved damping. Rear suspension, Showa monoshock with preload adjustment. Brakes, Nissan twin 310mm front discs and a single 255mm rear disc, now paired with a forged aluminum brake pedal. These updates enhance ride quality and braking performance, contributing to better overall handling. The 2025 Triumph Trident 660 offers a compelling package for both new and experienced riders, combining user-friendly performance with advanced electronics and stylish design. Its updates enhance safety, comfort, and connectivity, making it a strong contender in the middleweight Roadster segment. If you're interested in exploring similar models or need assistance with comparisons, feel free to ask.